Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, the fall vibes are going strong, so I got a really fun golden glam makeup look for you. So if you'd like to check it out, stick around with me and keep watching. Off camera real quick, I'm going to get my face ready, my brows ready, wha-bam, and ready to go. I'm jumping into my Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. I'll have all the details down below for you guys. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm using the lightest shade in the palette first, then I went to the next kind of like light brown shade, and then I'm working down through the other shades. So I'm getting darker and darker and building up the crease and then the outer third and the inner third. So I'm going to keep building that until it has a really, really nice halo effect. With the pad of my finger, I'm going to use some jumbo eye pencil in milk to create a base for my shimmer shadow. Here I'm just kind of blending out the edges. Then also with my pad of my finger, I'm going to apply the shimmer shadow and just keep blending that so it's nice and seamless at the edges. Jumping down to the lower lash line, we're going to apply the shades just like we did to the lid. So the lighter shade, I'm going to very sloppily go along the lash line, and then as the colors get darker, I'm just going to focus them on the inner and outer third. Then for the middle, we got the base, the shimmer shadow, and then blending out the edges for this like orange glow glam, or orange glam glow. I don't know. I'll have to figure out what to call this. Who knows what this is going to be called? But while I'm thinking about that, let's just go ahead and continue to move on to the wing liner. Here I'm doing a mid wing with a really pretty brown liner. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below if you would like me to do a separate video on how I accomplish my winged liner. After adding some quick color to the waterline, I'm quickly going to go off camera, catch up my other eye, and then also off camera, I'm going to add some mascara and false lashes. Diving into this beautiful Juvia's Place palette. It is a bronzer blush palette. I love it. It's my favorite. Sometimes I've even created a full look, like eyeshadows and everything, with this palette. It's awesome. So some quick contouring, bronzing, and some blush. Time to hit this look with some highlight. I'm going to add it to the inner corner, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and do not forget, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Once all that highlight is hit, we're going to move on to a liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. It is from Kat Von D. This shade is in Sanctuary. It is a beautiful, it really is a beautiful, I wear it all year long. I wear it for the fall. I mean, it's a great fall color, but I will wear it in the spring and the summer. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. So once that is on, I'm going to add my setting mist. This is from Morphe, another fave of mine as well. Let's fan it out real quick because we ain't got time to wait for it to dry. And now I love the matte life. So when I'm done with my setting spray, I like to hit my forehead, my cheekbones, and my chin with a little more powder. Then I'm gonna go off camera, glam up these curls a little more, and this is my finished look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out my video. I hope all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends that you'll come back next week for another video. I hope you all take care and stay spooky.